Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting to Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, I will now give you a few tips and tricks on how can you get your Bluetooth to start working again. As you can see, we are connected to JLab headphones. I have them right here. So, how could we possibly troubleshoot our issue with Bluetooth? Well, the easiest way is to simply restart the Bluetooth itself. Let's enable it. Let's disable it. Let's give it a couple of seconds. And now let's enable it again. As you can see, we are immediately connecting and everything is working. But what if it didn't help you? Because let's be honest, you probably tried it already. Oh, we can press and hold onto our Bluetooth icon. We are now inside every single Bluetooth setting, and now we can enter the cogwheel and we can simply go and forget our device. Let's forget the device. And now our phone will basically behave like we have never ever connected to that device in the very first place. Now with the device disconnected, we can also try to just enable the Bluetooth and enable it again. As you can see, no problems here, that's completely fine. So we can now pair our device once again. So let's first disable our... Oh, I think they are in the pairing mode already, but let's ignore that. Let's turn them off. Let's press and hold the power button. As you can see, it did work. Now we want to press and hold it once again. And when the screen begins flashing, we want to keep holding until we can hear ready to pair. Of course, it can be slightly different on your device, maybe headphones, or maybe your Bluetooth has something else. But generally speaking, almost every single Bluetooth device, as I have ever used them, gets paired by pressing a button. Now, if when it's already in the pairing mode, we can simply go into pair new device, and we do see our JLab Go work. So let's enable it, click it, and now we can go and click pair, and we are successfully paired with our headphones or whatever Bluetooth device you want to pair with. And if you still have some issues with the Bluetooth itself, you can always check two things. Well, actually you can only check one, you can do the other. So let's enter the settings, let's scroll all the way down, go into device health and support, and we can go into add a repair, but technically this is very hard thing, mostly because you are now using your warranty. Technically I wouldn't advise it. Instead, you want to just check for the system right here and into software updates. If there are some new updates, you probably want to download them because, well, maybe they have fixed some issues, especially with Bluetooth, also Bluetooth. But as a last resort option, you can just go to the expanded version of the control center, and you can press the power icon and simply hit restart. It may take a while, but it will restart every single phone, including the Bluetooth as well, working once again. And anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to give a like, subscribe, as always, watching.